Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Gamesir Cyclone 2 controller to your PC. Let's start with the recommended method for PC, which is the 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Take the USB dongle that came with your controller and plug it into a USB port on your PC. Wait a few seconds so your computer can recognize it. Now, on your controller, press and hold the home button and the X button at the same time for about 2 seconds. Watch the home indicator light. It will start blinking. When the connection is successful, the light will turn solid green. That means your controller is connected and ready to use. Next is the wired connection method. This is very simple. Take a USB-C to USB-A cable and connect one end to the controller and the other end to your PC. Once plugged in, Windows should detect the controller automatically. Now, let's look at Bluetooth mode, which is also called wireless controller mode. Press and hold the home button for about 2 seconds until the light starts flashing blue. Then, go to your PC and open Bluetooth settings. Turn Bluetooth on if it is not already on. Click Add Device and select either Wireless Controller or Gamesir Cyclone 2 from the list. Once connected, the light on the controller will turn solid blue. Thanks for watching.